Everybody, today we are going to review about a great product which is the Mi selfie stick. Now this gadget is absolutely brilliant. It's a lightweight gadget. It's beautiful to look at. Probably the best looking selfie stick in the market right now. And this mount is attached to it, so you can't remove the mount. So that is a good thing, because then most of the times the mount, they come loose or they get lost. But then we have the beautiful quality of the mount. If you see, it's all rubber padding all over the place. The phone will be protected, and you have one button here for switching on, switching off, as well as for pairing. Then this is the place where you charge. There is no charger or any charging cable included, but the normal phone charger will work on this, and the battery is concealed inside. So this is the whole gadget, and it's a beautiful selfie stick. It comes in 3 colors: gray, then you have this blue color, then you have a orange or a reddish color. So I purchased this gadget from Amazon. This gadget has not been officially released in India, but this gadget is definitely a must and should be released in India immediately, because Indians are really selfie lovers. If I loosen this up, I can adjust this any way I like. And they have a groove as well on this, so it won't, whenever you fit in your phone in it, it will not slide down or it will not fall off. So I'll show you the full length of it. Okay, in order to show you the full length, I'll just stretch this and show you how wide we can go. So this is the complete length of the stick. It's not even coming in the frame. Okay, I have fit a phone in it. So now you can see the phone. I'll show you how easily you can remove it and you can put it back on. So first I'll switch on the button here. Okay, so it's blue in color now, and that's it. Once it's blue, comes into the pairing mode. So it's flashing blue. Now I'll show you how it comes in the pairing mode. So I'll quickly go to the Bluetooth, switch it on. Now once I switch it on, so I'll show you how to set it again. So now once you go to the Bluetooth device settings, go to this XMZPG, click it to start pairing. So to put it in the, okay, it's connected now. So to put it in the, basically in the pairing mode, you need to go ahead and keep on pressing this button till it starts blinking, and then it comes in the pairing mode, and then you can go ahead and go to the Bluetooth and then select the device that I mentioned. Now I'll quickly switch on the camera and show you how it works. So this is the camera. See me. Okay, here I am. So that's the shot here. I'll show you how the shot looks like this time. Okay, here's the shot I took. So we'll quickly look at the box that we got with this device. It's a pretty basic box, and you don't get much in the box. There it is, this product. It's all Chinese. Everything is written in Chinese because this is a Chinese version that I bought. It says here, if I can look at clearly, it says 55 to 60 mAh of battery. So that's the battery, and it works on DC 5 volts, as the same as your mobile charger. It weighs 150 grams. Okay, so that's the actual weight of the device. And if I look at everything is Chinese here, so I mean it's pretty self-intuitive, so you don't need to worry about it. Even if it's written in Chinese, so you don't need to worry. There's nothing else written. There was a card that was there inside the box. Again, it's completely in Chinese, so not much of a use that we can make of that card. But just to show you, this was the card that I got, and there's nothing much that you can do about it. But then that's how it is, and don't worry, you will be able to use this device with or without this card. So that's it, guys. It's a beautiful gadget. Do buy it. It is officially unavailable in India, but definitely you can buy it from Amazon. I'll leave the link in the description of this video.